Hi Kirby fans, so today I'm going to show you how to upgrade those worn out wheels on your G Series Kirby. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment. If you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So as I said at the beginning of the video, what I'm going to be doing is a bit of a tutorial. We're going to be changing the front wheels on your G Series Kirby. Now this can be a bit of an issue if you've got hubcaps on there. There's a lot of people that tend to damage the hubcaps. Now there's a simple process without damaging the hubcaps that I use. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so for this video I'm going to be demonstrating with the G5. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so first off, what you're going to do is remove your handle and remove your bag. You can leave your lead on, that makes no odds. Next we're going to remove the head. So if you've got your belt wound on, wind it off. I'm just going to take the head off. Now I find the easiest way to change these is to remove the axle. So we just flip this over, like so. Now my only advice is have some kitchen roll at hand, purely because this is going to be a little bit greasy. So first up, what you're going to need is a Torx 20, and we're just going to undo these two that hold the axle. That's one, and that's two. And it's the same process if you change your axle. Now there have been a couple of Kirbys that I've picked up, and over time people have Googled it purely because the axles do break on these over time. I've never had one that broke. I've had a G6 that the axle's broken on. It was that barn find, so there's no axle actually in there. Now I don't know whether they went off-roading with it, but I've never ever seen one actually break, but apparently they do. Now to get this out, you've got your toe touch control, so I literally hold that with my finger, push that up, tip the axle, and then hold it gently, and that will slide down, and that will slide out. Now this is why you wanted the kitchen roll, purely because that's got a little bit of grease on it. So we'll put that there. And what we'll do is just move this to one side, and I'll try and zoom in best I can so you can actually see inside here. Right, now I don't know if you can see inside, you've got these little nipples that you have to push out. Now what I find the easiest way, don't get a screwdriver and bend it out, that's just going to damage your hubcap. So we turn it around, we find the nipples, so the nipple on this one is in here. And we're going to get a Torx 25 that's got a hole in the end, as you can see. That Torx 25 is a security one that's got a hole in the end. Now that hole will literally fit over that nipple. So you slot it over that nipple, give it a push, go to the next one, slot it over nipple, push, next one, slot it over nipple, push. So you have to lift it as well as you do this. So the fourth one, choose there, and push. And off it comes. That way, as you can see, there's no damage caused there whatsoever. Yes, there's a little scratch. I do need a new hubcap, but that's neither here nor there. But you're not going to damage these. What happens over time is people take these off with screwdrivers. These either snap off, or you end up kinking it so that pulls and twists and it gives you a little white mark. So say if you damage them, it's literally a Torx 25 and that just pushes over there like so, as you can see, and pushes it out. And we get our Torx bit, and it's a Torx 20. Undo it. And take your wheel off. Grab your new wheel, put your new wheel on. You can put a WD-40 around there if you want, or a little bit of 3-in-1, or 10 to sometimes. But if you're not using it a lot, it spins pretty well anyway. Let's put it back on, you put your new wheel on. And tighten that up again with your Torx 20. Okay. And then we put our hubcap back on, make sure these are lined up, and you're going to push it right above where the little nipple is. So one there, there, and that's on. And as you can see, there's no white marks there. damage at all. It's exactly the same process on this side. So I'll literally show you again, but I won't take the wheel off. So you've got Torx 25. 1, hook it over, 2, 3, and 4. And again, it's come off with no damage. Change your wheel, put your new wheel on, get your hubcap, press, 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 and there's no damage whatsoever. Now to get this axle back on, it's really easy, really simple. We'll just bring this back over. You're going to slot this up there, like so. Okay. Then what I tend to do is just hook that on there and let that little release down, and that will hold its own while you put your axles fixings back in. Again, just your Torx 20. Tighten that up. Tighten that one up. Over and double check that touch control works. So lift it up, and that works a treat. Throw our head back on. And we now have our pimped up Kirby with new front wheels. Right, so I enjoyed that short tutorial, and it shows you how to change your front wheels without damaging those hubcaps, so you haven't got to buy new hubcaps if they're not damaged. Now don't forget, everything I showed in the video and everything I used in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. So make sure you check those out. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any current episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you've got your belt wound down, wound it off. I've never had one happen.